Hello students, today we are going to start two types of integration. First one is integral of the form integration a e raised to x plus b upon c e raised to x plus d into dx. In this case, put numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. When a e raised to x plus b in this type question will be asked, then you have to put instead of numerator a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Let's start our exercise 5.3. In this, your first question is integration of 3 e raised to 2t plus 5 upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 into dt. Put numerator equal to, so your numerator is what? 3 e raised to t plus 5 equal to a into denominator is 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus b into derivative of denominator means d by dx of denominator 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. Now first of all we find derivative of denominator, but before that we do the multiplication of a with this bracket. Okay, then we write this 4a e raised to 2t minus 5a plus b into derivative of 4 e raised to t, 4 into derivative of e raised to 2 is e raised to 2t into 2 minus derivative of 5 is 0. Again do the multiplication with this term. So we write this 4a e raised to 2t minus 5a plus 4 to the 8b e raised to 2t and minus b into 0 is 0. Okay, now bring e raised to 2t terms together. So we take 4a plus 8b in bracket and we put 2 e raised to 2t common. Okay, and this minus 5a is as it is. Okay, now here numerator is what? 3 e raised to 2t plus 5. Now comparing e raised to 2t and constant term on both sides. Okay, so comparing e raised to 2t and constant term on both sides. We get, now after comparison e raised to 2t, e raised to 2t, so here it remains 4a plus 8b is equal to what? 3. This is your LHS, this is your RHS. LHS is 3 and 4a plus 8b is your RHS. This is your first equation, and your constant term is what? It is 5 and minus 5a. So 5 is equal to minus 5a. From this you get the value of a. Then a is what? A is equal to 5 upon minus 5, it is equal to minus 1. Substitute this value in equation 1. So we write here putting a is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. We get 4 into a is what? Minus 1 plus 8b is equal to 3. Now this become minus 4. When this minus 4 goes in this side, then it is subtracted. So 8b is equal to 3 plus 4, it is equal to 7. So we write b is equal to what? 7 upon 8. Am I right? B is equal to 7 upon 8. Okay. Now go to numerator. Now this is your, suppose we write here star mark. Okay. So star mark is what? 3 e raised to 2t plus 5. It is equal to, put the values here. Okay, you have to put value here. A value is what? Minus 1. So minus 1 into 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus b is what? 7 upon 8 into d by dx of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. Now instead of this 3 e raised to 2t plus 5, we put all these things. Okay, suppose this is your I, so let I is equal to, so your I become, now this is your numerator of I. Now go to our question. Our question is what? I is equal to, now here instead of numerator we write this term, it is minus 1 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 plus 7 upon 8 into d by dx of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5, and whole is divided by 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. Now if we separate this, then this can be written as minus of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 into dx. We separate it, plus 7 upon 8 into d by dx of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5, okay, upon 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 into dx. Now see here, this 4 e raised to 2t and this 4 e raised to 2t get cancelled. It remains only here minus of integration 1 dx. Correct? This minus sign I take out of integration sign, then minus of 1 into dx, plus 7 upon 8. Now see, it is d by dx of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. So its integration is what? What is the integration? Its integration is what? Log of mod of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5. Which formula we apply here? Since integration of f dash x upon f of x equal to log x plus c. We apply this formula here. Okay. So now integration of 1 is what? X. So minus x plus 7 upon 8 into log of mod of 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 and then plus c. Here one integration sign is remaining. So in above step we can't write plus c here, but integration is over now. So we write here c. Understood all of you? I hope you understood this. Okay. Now go to your next question. Your next question is what? Question 2. Let I is equal to integration of 20 minus 12 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 into dx. This is minus here. Okay. Now see here. First of all, we take minus 12 e raised to x because our formula is what? A e raised to x plus b. We want this in the form of a e raised to x. So I take here minus 12 e raised to x in front. So this can be written as minus 12 e raised to x plus 20 upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 into dx. Okay. Now next step is what? Numerator. So numerator is equal to, means minus 12 e raised to x plus 20 equal to a into denominator. Denominator is what? 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus b into d by dx of denominator. It is 3 e raised to x minus 4. Okay. Do the multiplication here. It is 3a e raised to 2x minus 4a plus b into derivative of 3 is 3 and e raised to x. E raised to x derivative is what? E raised to x, and derivative of 4 is what? 0. So do the multiplication of this bracket. It is 3a e raised to x minus 4a plus 3b e raised to x minus 0. Okay. Now here again e raised to x, e raised to x. Bring these two terms together, and in this e raised to x is common. Take outside the bracket. So we write 3a plus 3b into e raised to x minus 4a. Now again comparing or equating, we can write like this also, equating both sides. We get now here minus 12 e raised to x and here 3a plus 3b e raised to x. So your equation 1 become 3a plus 3b, it is equal to minus 12 is your first equation. Now go to constant term. It is what? Minus 4a is equal to 20. So from this you got 20 upon minus 4. It is equal to what? Minus 5. So value of a is what? Minus 5. Now substitute this value in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes 3 into a value is what? Minus 5. Okay, plus 3b equal to minus 12. So 3b is equal to what? Minus 12. Plus this become minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. When this minus 15 goes in this set, then it is added. So it is plus 15. It is what? 3. So b value is what? 3 upon 3. It is equal to 1. Now go to our numerator. Your numerator is what? Minus 12 e raised to x plus 20 equal to a value is what? Minus 5 into 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus b value is what? 1. So 1 into d by dx of 3 e raised to x minus 4. Now go to our I. Therefore your I become, instead of numerator we write this whole terms. So minus 5 into bracket 3 e raised to x minus 4 upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 into dx plus integration of 1 is here. So we can write this directly, d by dx of 3 e raised to x minus 4 upon 3 e raised to x minus 4 into dx. Okay. Now next step again. Here this 3 e raised to x minus 4 and this 3 e raised to x minus 4 get cancelled. It is minus 5 into integration of 1 dx plus this is what? 1 into log of mod of 3 e raised to x minus 4. Correct? Using the same formula, integration of f dash x upon f of x dx is equal to log of mod of f of x. Okay. Now again minus 5 into integration of 1 is x plus 1 into log x is log of 3 e raised to x minus 4 plus c. This complete your second question. I hope you understood this all the things. In this exercise 5.3 you have only 4 examples. 2 examples I will solve. I solved this. Using these 2 examples you can solve remaining 2 examples at home. Now go to our second type. Your second type is what? Integral of the type integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dash x into dx. Okay. Now in this case, suppose this in this form your question will be asked, then your formula is what? E raised to x into f of x plus c. See, f of x plus डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस एफ ऑफ एक्स. अगर ये एफ ऑफ एक्स है प्लस करके उसका डेरिवेटिव रहेगा और ई रेस टू एक्स रहेगा तो आपका आंसर डायरेक्टली ई रेस टू एक्स इंटू एफ ऑफ एक्स प्लस सी. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर एक्सरसाइज 5.5. In this, your first question is I is equal to integration of e raised to x into bracket 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square into dx. Now see, since we know the formula integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x plus c. Now here what is your f of x? Your f of x is what? 1 upon x. And its derivative means what? F dash x. F dash x is what? Minus 1 upon x square. See, this is in the form of this. 1 upon x is your f of x plus then minus 1 upon x square. This is in the form of e raised to f of x plus f dash x into dx. So its formula is what? E raised to x into f of x. But what is your f of x? It is what? 1 upon x plus c. So finally your answer is what? E raised to x upon x plus c. Understood this? Now go to your next sum. Next sum is what? Integration of e raised to x into bracket log of x whole square plus 2 into log x upon x into dx. Now see here, your f of x is first term. Okay, so your first term is what? Log of x whole square. So we find its derivative. F dash x is equal to, apply the formula x raised to n. What is your x raised to n? Derivative of x raised to n is what? N x raised to n minus 1. So 2 is here. Log x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 and into derivative of log x also. Okay. So derivative of log x is what? 1 upon x. So we write 2 log x into 1 upon x means what? 2 log x upon x. Now this is in the form of your I become integration of e raised to x into bracket. This is your f of x plus this is your f dash x into dx. Okay, then its formula is what? It is equal to e raised to x into f of x. What is your f of x? F of x is what? Log x whole square. So e raised to x into log x whole square plus c is your final answer. Now go to your next sum. 10th sum is what? Log of x upon 1 plus log x whole square into dx. Now again put here log x is equal to t. So log x is equal to t. Now this is in the logarithmic form. Okay, you have to convert this into exponential form. So its exponential form is what? E raised to t is equal to x. Always log x इक्वल टू टी दिया रहेगा तो log x टू द बेस e रहता है. सो e raised to t is equal to x is your exponential form of this logarithmic form. Okay, and if we differentiate this, we get log x, derivative of log x is what? 1 upon x, and this is equal to derivative of t is what? dt upon dx. Okay, now this implies we want only dx. Here dx is present, so dx is equal to, bring this dx in this side, then this x into dt. This dx is equal to what? X into dt. Now go to our I is equal to integration of log x is what? T plus 1 plus log x means 1 plus t whole square dt into x, because your dx, instead of dx we put x dt. Okay, now see here it is x. So what is your x? See here your x value is what? E raised to t. So we write this integration of t upon 1 plus t square into e raised to t dt. Okay, now after that bring this e raised to t in this side. So integration of e raised to t, this is in the form of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash x. So we need here e raised to x in front. So I take this e raised to t here. Then instead of t we can write t plus 1 minus 1, means adding and subtracting 1 in numerator, we get t plus 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus t whole square into dt. Now see this e raised to t is as it is. If we put this in square bracket, then first two terms are t plus 1. Okay, so I write here 1 plus t upon 1 plus t whole square, minus sign is present, minus 1 upon 1 plus t whole square into dt. So integration of e raised to t into bracket, see this 1 plus t, and here in denominator 1 plus t whole square is present. So 1 plus t get cancelled, so it remains 1 upon 1 plus t minus 1 upon 1 plus t square into dt. This is as it is. Okay, now your next step is what? Your I become integration of e raised to t, see e raised to t into f of t. If I put f of t is equal to 1 upon t, so its derivative is what? F dash t is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Which formula we apply here? Since d by dx of 1 upon x is equal to minus 1 upon x square, using this formula we write minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so I write here integration of e raised to t into bracket f of t minus f dash t into dt dx. So its integration is what? E raised to t into f of t. So f of t is what? 1 upon 1 plus t plus c. But now here we have to put the value of t. So t is what here? E raised to t is what here? X. So e raised to, instead of e raised to t we put here x. 1 upon 1 plus t value is what? Log x plus c, and do the multiplication. 1 into x is x, x upon 1 plus log x plus c. I hope you understood. Only 2 examples are remaining, so you do it at home.